Area of circle, pi r square. Circumference is 2 pi r. Circle and semicircle area is pi r square over 2. What is the perimeter of the semicircle? Can you tell me the formula?
2 pi r for a regular circle.
For regular circle and for semicircle?
Pi r
Pi r plus 2r. Would you agree?
plus 2r. Oh yeah,
Okay.
because of the flat side. I forgot to take
Radius
that into
and
account.
radius. So this thing is easy, but just to bring that in your consciousness. In a hurry, some students just forget this 2r. And then when we have a quadrant, area again is pi r square by 4. And what is the perimeter of this quadrant?
Say that again.
Perimeter of the quadrant.
Pi r 2 pi r over 4 plus
2 pi r
2r.
4 plus 2r. That's right. And one last thing, sector. So area is,
Angle over 360 times 2 pi r.
sorry, pi r
Trying to
square.
find area or the perimeter of a sector?
Area.
Oh yeah.
And perimeter is angle by 360 times
2
2
pi r
pi r
plus
plus
2r.
2r. And when they ask you about the arc length, that is angle by 360 into 2 pi r only. So this is the arc length and the radiuses. Okay. Now we try some general questions, then we'll come back to this. Question number 2. What is the area in square centimeters of a circle with a circumference of 2 pi, 16 pi? So area circumference is 2 pi, r equals 16 pi. R is equals to 8. When we have the radius of circle, that means we have everything. So area is pi r square.
Would it be 16? Oh, 2r. Oh, 2r, 2r. Okay.
So 64 pi.
I thought it was asking us about the circumference. I didn't realize this area.
Do you remember this property? Tangent and circle, O
Yes,
levels.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Then find M.
So BAD would be equal to. Okay, give me a second.
BAD.
M is in two places.
Sir,
G.
for my value of M, I got 45.
That's right. So basically, if you already remember that these properties, that this is 90, 90, You would know in this case, these two angles are always supplementary. So m plus 3m is equals to 180. Others who don't remember this would write m plus 3m plus 90 plus 90 is equals to 360. Both are correct, but if we know something, we can save our second. And yes, it is 45. Mahat, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 1. This is to be read carefully. No formulas, nothing, just reading carefully.
Sir, do we assume the circles have the same radius?
Anything. You're open to do anything. No limitations in this question.
I I think it's B then.
Yeah, I think it's B as well.
B means 3 only.
Yes, 3 only.
That is, you agree with that there are two intersections.
Yes. Is that correct?
Okay, firstly, this is not the answer.
No.
Oh. I'm not sure how to do this then.
Okay. It says two circles A and B lie in the same plane. If the center of circle B lies on circle A. So I'm drawing circle B first. This is its center. This is the circle. And if it lies on A, this is one possibility that A is passing through that. So we have two intersections.
Oh, we have to consider multiple possibilities. I
Boss,
thought
I was
I thought
thinking
there
it
was
might
just
be
one
E. I was
answer.
confused.
Yes,
I
yes,
thought it
yes.
was E.
And
Yeah,
second,
then it could be E, no?
yes, that is it.
I thought there was just one possibility and we were just supposed to know. The wording of the question confused me.
You will have these type of questions. You'll see more of them in this session, inshallah, soon. So this is zero intersection. And mostly students get confused with one intersection. They fail to understand that tangent is considered as single intersection. In case of circles, this is B. And if it is the radius of A is just equal to the diameter of A is equal to radius of B, then you have one intersection. And their argument is that when we used to study quadratics, we considered this intersection as 2 points. So studying quadratics, when we get like x plus 2 into x plus 2 is equals to 0 is a different concept. And circle having a tangent means it is touching at one point. Clear? And leaving two questions deliberately for practice. This is again circles, and it is adding more to some algebraic practice. What is the circumference of circle whose area is 100 pi? Try this.
So is it 10 pi? C?
It is
Would
not.
it be
Huh?
D?
What?
It is D. Mad, make a quick check. Why did you get C? Did you take the radius or diameter? Circumference of circle whose area is 100 pi. So area is equals to pi r square.
So I think I did 2 pi r squared.
Yeah, be careful with that.
Yeah, okay.
Like obviously these are formulas, and you will maybe you'll have only 3D figures. You'll have those formulas, but 2D figures you have to memorize. Try question number 4.
Sir, do we assume that the square fits perfectly inside the circle?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Would
That
it
means all
be
4 corners are touching the circle.
ah? Was there a circle? 2 pi?
Uh,
Hmm.
no math.
What did I do wrong? Go on, Mirza.
I didn't start working out yet. I was doing something else right now. Okay.
The square of area 2 is inscribed in a circle. So basically, this is the case. We are having a square inside the circle. And if the square has area 2, that means area equals length square. 2 is equals to length square. So length is equals to square root 2. One of the side is square root 2. So when I have
Uh,
this
Wait, sir,
as
can you let
square
me
root
solve?
2, sure, sure. Although I have more questions for you, but you can take it.
Is the answer C?
That's correct. Now just quickly to revise. Remember this 1, 1 square root. You okay? And this was
I'm
45.
okay.
This was 45. And a quick reinforcement. If this is 7, 7, this is 7 square root 2. So if I see that this side is square root 2 and the other side is also square root 2, I know whatever it is, I have to multiply that with square root 2, which brings me to 2. Actually, I've been through this practice and I just can see that this is going to be this length. For example, if I just write that this is square root 3, I will write square root 3 into square root 2. And in my mind, I can also write square root 6 without going through Pythagoras theorem. And remaining is just algebra. Pi r square and you get pi. This is not compulsory that you memorize this, but if you do, yes, it will help you save a second. Question number 5.
40 pi for question 5.
Question 5 is not 40 pi.
Is it 8 pi?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, wait, I know what I did.
Angle by 360 into 2 pi r.
So I did pi square.
Your pi square.
So I don't know. I was autopilot.
These mistakes are actually good. You are realizing that this could happen.
But part 6 is 40 pi, right? I saw
I got
part 6
45
or
as
part
well.
5.
For part 6, I got 45
Yeah,
as well.
but see, we do realize that we can make mistake in easy questions as well. One thing, and the second is whatever effort you've done, you must be writing it somewhere. You must be solving it, but you're not getting any credit out of it. MCQs, bubble sheet. That's it. These are not your rules. These are not my rules. But we know that what our strength and weaknesses, and by how which rules we have to play. Question number 10. The diagram is with question 10.
Is it C, sir?
Question number 10. Yes, it is C.
Yes.
And that sound of joy.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I got
Yeah.
C. So.
Very good. Okay. Now let me see. Hmm. Meanwhile, you were solving this question. I was looking at the time for next class, and I strongly wished that we do this topic number 5 again.
So does this say O? Oh, no, mind. Okay. With no. Oh, yeah. Okay. CD.
Hmm. CD is tangent to both the circles.
So is it E?
Number 5 is C.
That's what I said.
8. This one?
Yeah.
So could you explain
Yes.
this one?
Yeah. Okay, Mohammed, let's explain him. The radius of the first part is given, that is 2. Radius of the second section is given, which is 8. And if we just draw AC, that is going to be 90 because this is radius and tangent. And DB is again going to be 90, that is also radius and tangent. And if I just bring that line CD down, keeping it parallel, I'm just mentioning this C dash and D dash. That stays equal. Now D dash is actually equal to 2 because C and CA was radius and that was 2. So 8 minus 2, this remaining part is 6. Now we have this. This is 6, that is 90 degrees. This is 10. And using Pythagoras theorem, we get CD as 8.
Understood, sir.
Okay, we did few questions out of this. Try 8 and then 9.
Is the answer A?
Yes. Mad, is it working?
Yes, sir, but in this question, I think I mm, pi r. Okay. But so how did you do it?
Just make those subjects. If area of the circle A is the area, so I would say area is equals to pi r square. And C is the circumference, so CC equals to pi r. Which of the following is an expression of A in terms of C? So he is interested in area, so I have to replace that r. So taking r from right hand side, that is C over 2 pi. So pi C over 2 pi squared. pi c square over 4 pi square. So c
Oh,
square 4 pi 9, if not already done.
is it
Mm,
someone? I think we did.
So I think we did this question already.
From question, this is ninth. If you've already done it,
Yeah, we've done it. Oh wait, never mind.
Have you not already done this? Or?
we did, I think, this 10th question, finding the area, which was 2 minus
Yeah,
5.
never mind. We did question 9.
I swear I remember it was like 8, 5.
8 pi, yes. Okay. Okay. We'll go ahead. And number 13. That's also ratio and proportion.
No.
Wait, so is it 48?
Correct. 2 out of 2 ratio to 15 of 360.
So why is it not 2/17?
Because it says AB to the circumference. The total is actually already given.
Oh,
2 ratio total, and the total angle is 360. This should be unknown.
okay.